welcome to Sewing with Zai. This is the inspo, and this is how it turned out. First, you're going to need a yard of fabric, animal print, and some elastic. Put the pants on top of the fabric and trace them. You'll have the front and the back that you'll trace. You'll flip on each side. You'll cut it out and you'll pin it up like this. Just like that, you put the front and the back together. And then we're just going to put it in the sewing machine. Now we're going to make the waistband. We're going to take the animal print, which was zebra, and then we're going to take the elastic. But anyway, we're going to attach it to the pants now. And well, I made the mistake of not making sure that the fabric wasn't see-through when I bought it. So I came up with a plan because I had some white fabric, very see-through. So what I planned to do was combine the two. Because I wanted the brown animal print with the white, I had to take the zebra waistband off. My method was way better this time, I think. And it's, you can tell when you look at it, the thread it's a lot prettier. They weren't as close to like the ground that I wanted them to be. They were like kind of around my ankles, so I pulled them down a little bit and then pinned so that when I put them on, they stopped where I wanted to. And then when I fixed that, I just sewed the yellow pants, white pants together. Finally, we're gonna do the fur for the jacket. It was pretty simple, but here are the results. It's very cute. I loved how it looked. I got compliments. A guy walked up to me when I was eating. He was like, "Oh, your fit's fire." I was like, "Thank you." I did the bob on a special occasion at the brown fur, and a friend shot the video for me, and yeah.